In this video, I'm going to show you how you can properly close games and apps here on your PlayStation 5. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there so I can help you out further. But when you finish playing a game and return to the home screen, it's always a good habit to fully close it. This is going to free up your console's memory and keep everything running smoothly. To do this, go ahead and return to the home screen of your PlayStation. And what you're going to want to do is find whatever game you just had open. In this example, let's go ahead and pretend I was just playing Silent Hill F. All you need to go ahead and do is actually just select the options button on your controller and you'll have the option to close the game. It also might say close app depending on which app you're actually playing. But go ahead and select that and it's going to now fully shut down that program instead of leaving it suspended. You can repeat this step for any other apps to make sure that your system is clear. But that's it. Now you know how to properly close games and apps on your PlayStation 5. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.